We're here today at the stunning Gwinear complex located in Newquay. It is a camping and fishing site which is ideal for family breakaways where you can sneak off and get a few hours fishing in. Today you join me on the pleasure lake where I'll be targeting carp in the margins on the feeder and hopefully a few off the top later on. Let's head over to the swim now and see my setup. I'm going to start off today by fishing the margins, and the setup I'm going to be using is a 10-foot carp feeder rod, 8-pound main line down to a method feeder with just a little quick change feed, down to a 6-inch hook length and a size 16 hook. When I'm loading the method feeder, I put a layer of pellets in at the bottom, then my hook bait goes over the top, another layer of pellets, and then gently squeeze the method feeder on top, which will form a nice dome on top of the feeder. When the feeder enters the water, in around 20-30 seconds, depending on the temperature of the water, it will start to break down and create a nice dinner plate on the bottom with your hook bait sat right over the top. Oh, the liners. That's got to go surely. There you go. Oh, look at that. Look at that, fully scaled mirror. Yeah, proper that is. Proper little carp this one, fully scaled mirror. Absolutely in perfect condition. A few fish are starting to move around on top close in, so we're going to change tactics and fish a 3-line floater biscuit on top and try and nick one. Beautiful West Country carp caught under the rod tip on a floater.
So hi guys, welcome to Gwinear Angling. We've got a multitude of lakes on site, which we'll talk about in a minute. We're situated just outside Newquay on the A3075. We cater for all angling really, most disciplines. We've got lure, sea, coarse and carp in store, and a good stock of items from all of them ranges really. We've got 2 lakes on site. We've got a match lake, which has got carp, tench, perch, eels, carassios, F1s, roach, rudd, bream. It's got pretty much everything in really, and caters from anyone from beginner to more experienced angling. Carp in there up to £24. great place really for people to cut their teeth and get into the sport really. On top of that, we've got a specimen lake which caters for our more experienced anglers. There's fish in there up to £35.14, several 30s and a lot of backup high 20s as well. Challenging lake, but the rewards are fantastic. There's some lovely fish in there. Come on down and visit us. We've got myself, Jake, Stuart and Ryan in store. We're happy to give any sort of advice to anyone that's not too sure what they're doing, not confident, wants to brush up on their skills. We're not here to just sell you something, we're here to support you as well. And you can come in, ask us for advice, and we'll hopefully put you right and put you onto some fish.
It's definitely a better fish. None of the others done this. It might be knocking on the door for 9 or 10. Long, lean fighting machine. I thought it was a little bit bigger, but when they look like this, it doesn't matter. If you're looking for a little breakaway and fancy some close quarter carping, take a look at Gwinear's website in the description below.